I really enjoy sitting and having a bowl of homemade soup on a dreary Saturday afternoon. One of my viewers called it Kim's hog slop. Okay, whatever. I didn't invite you to come over and eat it anyway. Today is one of those days, if I was worrying about my hair, I'd be worrying about the wrong things. It's very gloomy. See what I mean? I mean, one of these days. I've been waiting to do this for a long time. Goodbye, old powerlifting shoes. Rain, rain, rain. You know what? I do sit in the car when I come home from work, or some places just to sit and relax. Is that weird? I've even sat out here and gone to sleep. Anybody else do that? It's just kind of like a little break I take before I go inside and start, like, you know, revamping for the day. It's raining here. I still think that's just way cool. See that? And it's dark here, like a little bit after 5 p.m. at night. I forgot to cut the porch lights on because I went shopping. Now I do have a flashlight. It isn't much of one, but it's enough. I have a video up about it if you want to go check it out. It's a freebie. I don't even like chicken and dumplings, but somebody posted something on Facebook about somebody making some power suggestion. Now all I can think about is holding up all weekend, 3-day weekend, with chicken soup, a blanket, a heating pad. I did not go to Walmart. I went to Johnson's, In and Out. Yummy. When I came home, scared off a little buck, looked like he had a 2-pointer. And then before I could even get out of my car, I see these two. That's as close as I can get. Look at these tails. Well, that was just in unison, wasn't it? How cute is that?